Fix TikTok Live Studio access not available. Now, if you're encountering the access not available message on TikTok, this is often due to eligibility requirements or account status. So, pretty much what you're going to have to do first is to verify eligibility requirements. So, TikTok has specific criteria for accessing Live Studio, which may vary by region. Some users report needing at least 3,000 followers. You may need to have gone live for a certain duration and ensure your account hasn't been banned or suspended in the past 30 days, as this can affect your eligibility. Another way to go ahead and try to fix this is to update your TikTok Live Studio. So visit the official TikTok Live Studio website or your app store to download the latest version. And if updating doesn't resolve the issue, you can always try uninstalling and installing the app all over again and just log into your account. You can also just go ahead and check the actual website for more eligibility requirements. There are possibly due to security reasons, you may not be able to apply for access. You can go ahead and contact them there if you do have any questions. So another way is to basically just contact TikTok support. So you can just do this in their official website or here, but you can contacting them here in the help center or directly in the TikTok app themselves, where you can go ahead and communicate with them and give them your specific issue and tell them a question on how to fix your problem. But anyways, hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.